Good morning and good afternoon, depending on your location where you are viewing from. Distinguished fan is sending his regard to all of you out there, all our viewers. We thank you. We know we just started the new calendar of the year. So many people will be inquisitive to see the next video. Distinguished fan, have your interests at heart, and in all your endeavors, we wish you all the best. It's really been a while. Most of our subscribers has been expecting our video. We have been going through some little difficulties. We were struck with this African swan flu that has no vaccine for now. But before I go into it, thank you all my subscribers, and I also plead with you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also drop your comment on the comment section. That will also enhance the next video. The African swan flu hit our farm, of which has no vaccine for now. Apart from that, we were growing rapidly. Those were the little breakdown, but we were able to survive few. Immediately we noticed it. So today I would like to enlighten you more on how to take measure of this flu that has no vaccine for now. It came to our farm that we were growing rapidly. We started with 16 pigs. What a massive growth. As a strike, we take some. We discover that no sign. We take them out of the farm. So we have to do away with the rest. In order not to keep them and keep the virus in the farm, we have to do away with them. And today, for about 2 months now, the whole farm has been under treatment. We have finished our treatment. We brought those ones in currently. We need to take measure as disinfecting the farm always is the key thing we need to make us grow without having those challenges. God so kind, it come at this stage, it adds more to our experience. Imagine when the growth might have gone far beyond what we just said. The loss would have been much. That is why you see some big farm, they close down. So those measures, we need to take them. They are the key thing to this farm. Measures you will take, you be careful when you also go to buy their vaccine. Order comes from different farms. You make sure you sanitize them as you bring them in. Also, you don't allow the butchers into your farm. Anyone that is due to go for slaughter, those ones, you prepare them, you take them out of the farm because they go to different farms. Those are how they spread the disease too. Strangers are not allowed to be coming into the farm. Even the doctor that treats your pigs that comes to your farm should also be sanitized before coming into your farm, because they go to one farm to the other farm. That is how it also spread. So we need to be very, very conscious of those areas. Like you will always want to feed your pig. The key thing is you will always want to take those pre-measure so that you are keeping your farm for the interest of what you are laboring, so that you don't end up, you start a farm, you close down. Many people close down farms that we see around is due to lack of those measures. So those are the key things we are going into in our farm currently now. We don't entertain visitor. This is not a tourism site whereby people will come in to come see how your animals are looking. That is one thing you will know. So those are the key areas. But as time goes on, if the vaccine come, good. But until then, measure is one important thing we need to take on how to keep the place safe. Always preach it to your workers. If possible, take a day out in a week. Keep warning. Give them lectures on how to take those measures. And if you're doing it yourself for your own interest, take measure. Apart from that, we are growing fine. We have a poultry session whereby we will feature in the next video. And the goat aspect of it, in their temporary place, they are doing fine. We have quite numbers of them put to bed. Take a look at the goats. They are really doing fine until we finish their permanent structure where we will take them from the temporary place. By then, we will also tell you our experience and you will follow up as we do everything. So I please beg you, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will enhance the next video and you know what it is. Please do to subscribe to my YouTube channel as I bring you to see the remaining ones we've just brought in. Come with me and see. Those are the remaining ones we brought in. We still have them, about 16 of them. And we have 8 female. Those are the ones that survive. We win them from their mother. Immediately we win them. That was when it struck. So we were able to take those ones out of the farm. So by God's willing, you will see the rapid growth again, because we will still keep doing this, because this is what we are out for. We will do it. And if you are having plans to go into the farm, don't have fear. The only guide is take measure on whatever you bring into the farm. You make sure you sanitize it. Try to know the chemicals that are right to use for sanitizing, and there are some you don't need to spray while the pigs are in the pen. So as time goes on, we'll be giving you names of those chemicals you will really use and get the results. So thank you all, and I pray those who are planning to go into it will succeed. Will all succeed in going into the farm. So we'll thank you all our viewers out there. Please one thing I beg, please drop your comment on the comment section. Press the notification bell so that any video we drop, you'll be the first to see it. Subscribe. Tell friends to subscribe so that they will learn more. Those who are in need already could also subscribe to gain more experience. But as concerning the measure, I want you to drop your comment on the session. Since there's no vaccine for it now, those who has more experience, so that we can also tap from your experience if it has hit you, and if it has not, take our advice. Please take measure. Thank you all. See you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.